xMatters has made the process of integrating your tools easier and faster with the Workflow Templates directory. Let's see how easy it is to integrate your common tools with xMatters in just a few simple steps. To see a list of currently available workflow templates, take a look through the ever-expanding list in the directory. If you don't see a tool you use listed, you can manually create an integration using the powerful integration builder inside your workflows. Let's see how simple it is to use a workflow template by connecting xMatters to Slack, a workplace communications tool. Select it and give the integration an easy-to-identify name and description, a name to use when sending alerts, and save. This will now create a new workflow with a Slack integration. Now click Add to Slack, select your Slack instance, and done. You can now use the power of xMatters directly from Slack. If you want to customize this workflow further, you can access the Flow canvas from the Flows tab. If you want to create a custom workflow and add your tools from the Workflow canvas, you can click Create Custom Workflow. If you want to import a workflow you've already created, click Import. We've created workflow templates for dozens of popular tools, and we're adding more all the time. To try integrating xMatters with the tools your teams use, sign up for free at xmatters.com/free. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.